Welcome back, everyone. This is showing how the water behavior is before I did a contact wash. Picking up some traffic film over the last couple of days and week or so since it has rained. And you can see the control there on the far left, but MOHS Evo is on the front door. DIY Details 3-year graphene coating is on the rear door. So these were applied on 2/1 of 24, and today's date is 11/6/24. So it's been a little over 9 months. So we did a pre-foam, then rinse, and then foam and contact wash using Incredible Suds soap. Flip the mitt, go to the front door here. These are gliding very nicely on both ceramic coatings, very slippery. That's a great soap also, very slippery. Then as we come in a little closer here with the camera, you will see that MOHS Evo is edging probably slightly as far as not being as clogged as the graphene coating. And also that front door is getting more of the abuse from the traffic film and roadways. And it's pretty cool how you can see that control where there is no coating on that far left. Neither one of these have had toppers applied at all during this time. Still both performing great, but could use probably a little bit of water spot remover to completely unclog them. Looking good.